partners in this quick video, and today I got a bird talk. This one is for 2036, the times is 20 to 19. Maybe I'm going to do interest sounds. Project is woodpecker. This is workout the zoom-in. Then turn on birds. Let it down. So if we review analysis, we're going to go for woodpecker. We started test the mode button. So here we go. So next up, this is the woodpecker. They're going to test mode button. So yeah, sounds like I'm going to test. Press this button. See, here it is. In the back, this one is a woodpecker. The tour test. And the ring goose. And house wren. Is Meeting Robin. Song Sparrow. Kinahira. A titmouse. On the oil. Great horned owl. Next up is mockingbird. And black chili. And Luna candle. Thanks for watching and see you next time.